I got it.
Okay. Right here is a vine snake.
Wow.
Look at him. He's spreading his scale to show off his color.
Woo!
That is so pretty.
He's so long.
And look at the way he's sticking his tongue out. That is such a pretty snake. Wow.
What kind of this?
It's a vine snake?
Wine?
Vine.
Oh, wine.
Like a
Like a
vine.
tree vine.
Like a tree vine.
Look at that. He is eyeing me up really hard. That is so cool. That was a good eye. That was a really good eye.
I want to show the top of him.
Okay.
Oh, it looks so cool.
That is such a pretty snake. And they get a lot bigger than this.
Wow.
Look at this like prehensile tail. Oh, he's my hand. That's so pretty though. Oh, that is awesome. I want to put him back where he was. Okay, let's put this guy back. Okay, here we go. Oh, that is so pretty. Here. There you go. That is so pretty. Okay, go. Wow. Alright, let's see if I can find anything else. That is so cool. So long. Really skinny and so long. Just a little noodle.